This lesson is going to be really short and to the point. I just wanted to share a really cool website where you can buy and sell prompts. So let's check it out. Promptbase.com allows for you to find and search for specific prompts and also sell your own prompts. So you can go in and find really unique looking pieces of art that were created from very specific prompts. So you can go ahead and buy it. You can go through the website, look at the different options that they have, get inspired, and also list your own prompt to sell on this platform. And just to see what's available on this website, let's go ahead and click through a couple of examples. This is a really cool style I've actually never seen before as a mid-journey prompt. What else do we have here? Stained glass and mosaic style illustrations. So I like this website because it gives you a very specific look and feel for each one of the prompts you can buy. This is pretty cool. It gives you a POV style, which is really unique. I've actually never seen any AI art really with a POV style, so that's something unique I've never seen before. And there are just so many different types of great beginning jumping off points that you can go through and get some inspiration and purchase or sell using this site.